If you are a manufacturer of roller coaster, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your roller coaster manufacturer business. In a manufacturing of roller coaster, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding product update, technical issues and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your roller coaster manufacturing business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have created this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web. I will enter a key message, for example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a welcome message in which they welcome me to the Pabbly Thrill Engineering at the best. With that, they have given me 3 action buttons: request a proposal, ask a tech question and our capabilities. Let's see their capabilities. So I will click on our capabilities. As soon as I have clicked on our capabilities, they have mentioned all the specialized service that they provide. With that, they have given me 2 action button, menu and talk to our team. Let's click on menu. After clicking on menu, they have sent me their welcome message again, and with that, I will select request a proposal this time. Okay, they responded me with ready to ride into a new project. Let's gather a few details to prepare your customer proposal. Please reply with project type. Example, family roller coaster, inverted, launched. I will enter my detail as family roller coaster. They want to know the location. I will enter Bhopal. Now they want my contact number. I will enter that. As soon as I have entered my phone number and they got all the desired information, they have responded me with a message which says, once received, our team will contact you with next step and timeline. With that, they have given me 2 action button, menu and talk to our team. Let's click on talk to our team. This time they responded me with a message that they are going to connect me with real human and their response time is 5 to 15 minutes. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much better and fun. That too without any manual efforts. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Over here, you can see there are 2 options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. But as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on Access Now button of that. After clicking on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow dashboard page. To add your WhatsApp number, you just need to click Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Under this, there are 2 options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp Business account with it. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is inbox option where you can manage all your conversation with your customer without opening WhatsApp separately. After that, there is contact section where you can create new contacts and manage according to your requirement. After that, there is team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members and review their performances. After that, we have template section where you can create customized template. And by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, there is broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. After that, there is flow section. It is a powerful tool to create chatbot in Pabbly Chatflow. Below that, there is AI assistant, activity log, setting and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have created a separate video for that. Link will be provided in the description box as well. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, you need to click on flow option and you will be redirected to the flow builder page. To make a new flow, you need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. As soon as you will click on add flow button, you will be landed on this page. Here you can see a window is open named by flow start. Now to build a flow, first you need to give a meaningful name to your flow. As we are making this chatbot for roller coaster manufacturing service, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your roller coaster manufacturing business. Now let's start building this flow. For that, we need to understand 3 features which is given inside flow start window, which are keywords, regex and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to put reject, which will understand what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with media. For that, I will drag and drop media button and connect with my flow start. Over here, I'm going to browse my image. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I will add welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on add content button and select the text button. Here, I'm going to enter my welcome message, which welcome my customer and give few information about my company. With that, I have entered a message that how can we assist you today. For that, I'm going to provide few action button. To give action button, I will click on add button option and enter my text, request a proposal. For my next action button, I'm going to enter ask a tech question. And for the third action button, I will enter our capabilities. Now for every action button, I want to provide separate message. For that, let's start with request a proposal. To get request, I want to know few details of my customer. For that, I'm going to ask question to them. I will drag and drop ask question button, which is given on the action section, and connect with my action button, which is request proposal. I'm going to connect both of them, and here I'm going to enter my message which says ready to ride into a new project. Let's gather a few details to prepare your custom proposal. Please reply with project type, example family roller coaster, inverted launch, etc. Now I'm going to select my contact custom field as project code. My format, I'm going to select any. After that, I want to know about location. I'm going to drag and drop ask question button and connect with my previous question, and here I'm going to enter my message. Please reply with location. After that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as location and my format as any. Now after location, last thing I want to know about their name. For that, again I'm going to drag and drop ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Please reply with contact name, and here I'm going to select my contact custom field as name and my format as any. Now you must be wondering from where we can add our contact custom field. For that, first you need to save your flow. As soon as you have saved your flow, you will get a message that flow updated successfully. That means your flow is saved. Now come with me to the settings section. Here you can see a feature is given named by contact custom field. As soon as you will click on this, you will be landed on this page. Here, you can add as many contact custom field as per your requirement. As you can see, I have added multiple contact custom field over here. Now, I will resume back to my flow. After knowing desirable information about my customer, I will send them a confirmation message. For that, I will drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this. Once received, our team will contact you with next step and timeline. Now with this message, I'm going to provide two action button, menu and talk to our team. I will connect my menu button with my initial message. That means as soon as someone click on menu button, they will get initial message again. And I'm going to give a separate message for talk to team. I will drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, in which I will mention that our expert will call them and the responding time is 10 to 15 minutes. As we have done with our first action button, let's move to our next action button, which is ask a tech question. For this action button, again, I need to ask my customer to submit their question. For that, I will drag and drop, ask question and connect with my action button. Here, I'm going to enter my message, which says, we love the tech stuff. Drop your engineering or designing related question below. Example, what the max G-force of your inverted model, or do you offer magnetic brakes system? Now for my contact custom field, I will select questions and my format as any. Now, as soon as my customers submit their question, I will send them a message. For that, I will drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message that our technical team will respond shortly with detailed insight. Now, let's move to our last action button, which is our capability. To tell about our capability, I will send them a message by drag and drop and select the text button. Here I'm going to enter my message like this, where I have mentioned all the specialized details about our company. With that, I'm going to add two action button, menu and talk to our team. I will connect my menu button with our initial message and I'm going to connect talk to team button with the message that we have put for talk to our team like this. Now as you can see, I have entered all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for roller coaster manufacturer business. Our last step would be active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.